here to commemorate the World Day for Decent Work. Today we pay homage to those who have sacrificed so much on the front line of struggles for democratic rights and freedoms, especially those who are
और हमारी ये मांग है महिला घरेलू कामगार को वृद्धावस्था में पेंशन नहीं मिल पा रही है और सामाजिक सुरक्षा प्रदान करने की आवश्यकता है। महिला घरेलू कामगारों को समाज के साथ काम करने में सक्षम बनाया जाना चाहिए और उचित वेतन मिलना चाहिए। सामाजिक सुरक्षा 2020 में नए कोड के अनुसार राज्यों को असंगठित क्षेत्र के श्रमिकों के विभिन्न वर्गों के लिए उपयुक्त योजनाएं बनाने के लिए राज्य सरकार की सिफारिश करने के लिए राज्य सरकार सुरक्षा बोर्ड को गठन करने का आदेश दिया गया है, लेकिन घरेलू कामगारों के लिए लागू नहीं किया गया। राज्य की नीति में घरेलू कामगार बड़े पैमाने पर अनुपस्थित है, इसलिए आज हम राज्य घरेलू सरकार सामाजिक सुरक्षा बोर्ड
Myself, I am Reshma Kalwar from Porvorim. I am the Secretary of Goa Domestic Workers Union. I want to highlight the point on home as a workplace. When the employer home is seen as just a private space and not as a domestic workers' workplace, the worker is also invisible. So long their mindset that the home is a private even when it's workplace. The domestic worker is just a worker, not a proper worker. The pain of the state towards the domestic workers will be continued. Traditionally, household work is considered as the women's. The work remains undervalued and poorly regulated. The abeyance policies makes the workers and reasons to exploit them from the hand market forces. Domestic workers are not considered significant enough components of the labor force and hence the advocate redress the mechanisms in law or policy are absent. The follows from the idea that the home cannot be a workplace. So it is essential to consider home as a workplace and to be treated as a covering all the benefits in the state. Thank you.
म्हजें नांव सेबिना मागालेस आनी हांव पोरवोरी, हांव डॉमेस्टीक वर्कर्स। आमचे आतां मान आसा की घरांत काम करतात तांची परिस्थिती खरेंच गोवा सरकारान फावो तो निर्णय चालीक लावपाक जाय। जशें की आमी आतां घरांत काम करतात तांकां कसलो ना कसलो फायदो मेळूंक जाय। आमी घरांत काम करतले केन्ना कितें अपघात घडटा तांकां बेगीन एक आदार मेळचो, तो आमचो एक गव्हर्मेंट सरकारा कडेन आमचो एक मागणी आसा। मागीर आमच्या घरांत काम करतली भुरग्यांक तांकां शिक्षणाक लागून कितें फायदो मेळचो, तो एक आमी सरकारा कडेन मान दवरूंक शकतात। मागीर आमच्या घरांत कितें एक प्रेग्नंट औरत आसता, एक बायल आसता ती घरांत काम करता, ताकाय कितें फायदो मेळचो। आमी घरांत काम करतात आमकां हॉलिडे मेळना, कित्याक आमी घरांत काम करतात दुयेंत जातात, सो ती कितें म्हणटात आमकां आयताराक कामायतो। सो तेमी मातशें आमचो एक हें करचो, आमी घरांत काम करतात म्हणटच तांकांय कळों जाय आमी गोंयचीं मनशां, सो आमकां तितली हें करून इग्नोर करूंक जायना। सो आमकांय जाल्यार म्हणजे आमी जी घरांत काम करतात एक आमी आमचे मना प्रमाणे काम करतात, सो तेमी आमकां आपल्या मना प्रमाणे आमकां फावो तो मान दिवचो, ती आमची एक म्हणणी आसा। मागीर आमचे आतां आमी 18 वर्सां जालीं की आमी डॉमेस्टीक वर्करान जॉयन जावपाक शकतात। 18 वर्सां ती सिनियर सिटीजन जावपाक पयलींच आमकां कार्ड करूंक जाय। सो आमचो एक मेन इश्यू आसा की गोवा सरकारा कडल्यान की आमकां एक वळख आमची जाय। सो आमकां एक कार्ड मेळचें, आमी घरांत काम करता तांकां, जाल्यार आमचे नाव एड्रेस आमचो फोटो सो आमकां कोणें इग्नोर करूंक जायना आमी कोण ती सो आमकांय मातशें एक रिस्पेक्ट मेळोंक जाय सो ताका लागून आमी चिंतात की आमच्या गोवा सरकारान फावो ते निर्णय चालीक लावचे आनी आमकां कितें जाल्यार फायदो पोवचो हें आमचें एक मान्य आसा सरकार
हांव तेच म्हणून सोदता की आमची भयणी ऑलरेडी सांगला की आमी जायते घरांनी काम करतात जायते घरांनी काम करतात जाणट्यांकूच आमी बरे भाशेन पळयतात ते दिसभर कामाक घेतात सगळे आमी तांकां जाणट्यांक करून दितात जायत्यो आसा पासून आनी एक एक गोडे हितून आमी कितें मातशें दुयेंत बी पडलें जाल्यार ती आमकां सजवून घेयना कित्याक पेमेंट काडटात ते तेंचे आमी एक करिना जावपाक लाय म्हूण कित्याक सगळीं आमी एक रेस्पेक्ट आमचें काम एक रेस्पेक्टाचें काम म्हूण आमी मागून घेतात ते भाशेन आमकांय सरकारान हेतून आमकां एक रेस्पेक्ट मान दिवचो म्हूण आनी आमचे कितें हेतून आहा ते बाबडेन सांगलां सगळें ते आमकां ते आमचे रूल कायदे दिवचे म्हणून मागता इतलेंच करना
आनी एक आसा की हें ना की आमी काम करता तांकां सगळेच घरांत तुमी कोन्नाय सगळीं बरीं करता आपणाक काम करता तांकां हें आमी तांकां हट करपा जाय म्हूण एक प्रश्न घालूंक ना की ती काम करता तांकां इग्नोर करता तें ना सगळींच बरीं करता म्हळ्यार एकूच प्रश्न आसा की तेमी आमकां सजमण दिवचें थोडीं सजमना थोडीं बरीं करता थोडीं तेणी आमकां सजमण दिवचें हें सांगचें म्हणजे आमकां इग्नोर करचें न्हय घरांत काम करता तांकां आमकां फावो तो लाभ आमकां दिवचो हीच आमची
तुम्ही गव्हर्मेंटाक जाल्यार
ना आनी कामवाली बाई म्हणटात पळय आनी केन्ना आमकां कामवाली बाई म्हणटात पळय आमकां कशी पळयतात जाणा एज इफ वी आर डुईंग सम रॉंग वर्क केन्ना सो आमी ती रिस्पेक्टफुली आयता थोडी बरी आसता पूण आमी जेन्ना आमचें इंट्रोडक्शन दुसऱ्या फुड्यान दवरता पळय तेन्ना लोक म्हणटा तूं कितें करता म्हणजे आमी कामवाली बाई म्हणटकच आमी चीप अशी पळयतात आमकां हो एक मान्य आसा आमकां गोवा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन की आमचो जो आसा पळय एज अ डॉमेस्टीक वर्कर म्हणून तो आमचो बरो हितून आसपाक जाय म्हणजे आमकां पळयतात तशें एज युजल आमच्या भुरग्यांक पासून तशें मागीर ट्रीट जाता म्हणजे हेजी मम्मी कितें हेजी मम्मी कामवाली बाई म्हणून भुरग्यांकूय कितें तेरी मां कामवाली बाई अशें बी म्हणटात अशें आयकलां हांवें म्हाजें सो ते आमकां कितें तो आमकां रिस्पेक्टफुली आमकां मातसो रिस्पेक्ट जाय आमी रिस्पेक्टफुली हे संवसारान आसूं शकता की आमी बी मनशात न्हू अशें ना एज्युकेटेड वाले आमी अनएज्युकेटेड मनीस न्हू सगळीं मनशांच आमी म्हणून म्हाका मनशान मान्य दिवपाचो हो म्हाजो मांग आसा हांव म्हणा की सगळो मनीस तसो आसता ना सगळें बरें आसता पूण थोडे अशें आसता
Juana García Barbosa, Margante Union Leader आणि जाय सरकारान काडलें येस कार्ड काडलें सेपरेट रेडीज कार्ड काडलें PF मागवलें पूण आमकां हें आजून कांयच मेळ्ळो ना आनी तें आमी सरकारान पळय सरकारान आमकां आनी आमकां एक पगार येतना ते आमकां पगार
But the illegal supply of domestic workers, the laborers, and lack of collective bargaining leads them for exploitation. And then added to that, there is no unique proper legislation for the domestic. Your employer can give it, or another employer can say, no, we cannot give, I will look for another, because there is an illegal supply of the domestic workers. So it all depends on the mercy of the employer. So that is why we as Goa Domestic Workers Union demand for social security, the specific legislation for the Goa domestic workers. Because it continues to be, because home is not considered as a workplace. The traditional for women, the stereotype mentality in our society, traditionally women are supposed to cook, and in that same light, if you look at it, the most of the women, they say, why do you need holiday on Sunday? Because every day you are supposed to work, because every day everybody has to eat. So unless we look at the domestic worker, that is when you are working in a different house as a domestic worker, you must consider as a domestic work, a proper work. It is not a household work. Unless we recognize this, the plight of the domestic workers will continue. So in 2018, there is an act. In 2020, as per the new Social Security Code, the central government has mandated the state government to institute a Social Security Board, where for all the unskilled workers, to include all the different schemes and the suitable schemes for the domestic workers. Though it has not yet implemented, we demand that it should be not only unorganized sectors, it should be specially for the domestic workers. And also, we need to have national legislation to ratify the ILO 189 so that domestic workers' plight will be heard, their voices are heard, and their welfare is uplifted. Thank you. So, we the Goa domestic workers, we have the demand.
We, the Goa Domestic Workers Union, strongly demand the state government to set up state domestic workers welfare board in Goa, include domestic workers in the Schedule of Minimum Wage Act 1948, implement Minimum Wages Act for domestic workers, implement the Social Security Act 2008 benefits for the domestic workers who are registered under this act, recognize home as workplace, include the domestic workers in the Social Security Board, at least 2 of its members. Thank you.
गोव्यात कितले मेंबर आसात तुमचे इथं?
We have 2,560 some. That's a Goa domestic.
Have you got any support from the government during the pandemic time?
It is very minimal. Because so many domestic workers lost a job, so we were requesting them to provide at least some dry ration. So very minimal, insignificant quantity from labor office we got it. But from the National Domestic Workers Union, we got amount. We got a huge.
This, what is this? Goa Domestic Workers Movement is registered.
Yes, it's a registered union.
Okay. Who is running it?
It is run by it's one like ICM Sisters. That is
You are being affiliated?
no, we are not affiliated.
This is independent.
Independent. It's independent one.
Okay.
Ma'am, for the domestic workers, standard wage is not been defined. What do you like to say?
Oh, this is standard wage. As far as you see, if you look at the minimum wage, it is very low. With the hike of price every day, the commodity is increasing every day. So, but with that, now 2022 they have revised the minimum wage. The state government has revised. But if you compare it, they say it is unskilled workers or unorganized sectors. So there is no particularly for domestic workers. So we are saying that let them be included. Let the domestic.
That revised amount, how much it is?
It is 423, I think, if I do not mistake.
Is this registered with labor?
Yes, it is registered.
We have union Directorate of Labor.
Yes, it is.
And what is the difference between that you said no a government amount and private?
See, private is we have a certain amount, but the difference is you see, government is very low, but the private is it is mostly when they are coming, it is at with the employers. Since we don't have the uniform amount, what they do, an employer is ready to pay 20,000. Another employer is ready to pay only 10,000 for the same work. So it varies from person to person. That is the plight we are saying. So we have prepared actually a rate card, and that has to be ratified and with the labor commission.
Ma'am, do you get any medical benefits from the government side?
We have not yet received any medical benefit, but that's one of our demands also.
When you have registered with labor section?
2010. 17, no, 2017. 2017. No, the union started 2010, registered in 2007.
Ma'am, still many women are not joined with your domestic workers. So what do you like to say for lacking behind to get a platform?
This is a call for all the domestic workers to increase our collective bargaining. We need the voices of many and not to be exploited, because when these people are there, when we are there in the union, if something happens, the whole union members are there. Recently also one was caught up with the alleged for theft. But the whole area domestic workers union, they went and they fought with the police. So the collective bargaining capacity is increased. so that they stand as one group to demand for their rights. So this individually many are exploited, many get many favors also. I don't say in Goa all are exploited, but that to stop that exploitation or individual benefit, let us have that collective goal of moving towards as one goal. So that is why I call on every domestic workers who are there, let them come to know the union in Goa and let them be registered so that we journey with one focus.
And do you have any plan for meet any government?
Also, when we have any meeting, any rally or anything, we will call. So in this light, I would also like to invite tomorrow. There's a rally. Today is domestic workers decent work day, but tomorrow we are organizing a rally in Madgaon at Madman.
Women reservation bill.
Women reservation bill, though anyway it is not a topic of it. What I feel is that it is, see, this women reservation is not of today or yesterday, it's a long back, the journey we can go back long. But what happens is that now they are saying in 2029, okay, it is 2000. So what happened, it is, according to me, it is a election strategy. What happened, why, if you want to do it, these women are majority, why can't you do it today now? What is lacking now to do it? So now the next year election is coming. To show it that my party, whoever makes it, my party have 33%, not even 33. We have the right to have 50%, half of it. So you show it by representing 50% of women instead of dragging it for 10, 9 more years, 5 more years, whatever it is, do it now and set an example. Women are not beggars. We have our rights. That's what I.
Ma'am, your name and designation?
I'm